Agile and Scrum methodologies are powerful tools for project management, particularly in the field of software development. They offer a flexible and iterative approach to work, allowing teams to adapt to changes and deliver value to customers quickly and efficiently. So, Agile is a set of principles for software development under which requirements and solutions evolve through a collaborative effort of self-organizing cross-functional teams. It advocates adaptive planning, evolutionary development, early delivery, and continuous improvement, and it encourages a rapid and flexible response to change. Scrum, on the other hand, is a framework within which people can address complex and adaptive problems while productively and creatively delivering products of the highest possible value. It is simple to understand, but difficult to master. The benefits of using Agile and Scrum include increased productivity. Agile and Scrum can lead to increased productivity as they encourage frequent inspection and adaptation of the process. This only leads to more efficient and effective team. Number 2, improved quality. So by breaking down the project into manageable units, the team can focus on high-quality development, testing, and collaboration. Reduce risk. Agile and Scrum reduce the risk of absolute project failure by providing visibility into the project throughout its life cycle, allowing stakeholders and team members to adjust and replan as necessary. Number 4, faster return of investment. Because Agile and Scrum methodologies deliver features incrementally, the product begins to take shape from the early stages of development, which can lead to a faster return of investment. So, to master all these benefits, the Agile and Scrum Blueprint is a comprehensive guide that provides a step-by-step approach to understanding and implementing these methodologies. It covers everything from the basics to advanced concepts, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced professionals. By following this blueprint, you can transform your work, your process, and achieve better results in your projects. So if you're interested in reaping the benefits of Agile and Scrum methodologies, I highly recommend the Agile and Scrum Blueprint. This comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to effectively implement these methodologies into your project. Agile and Scrum Blueprint covers a wide range of topics, including the principles and values of Agile and Scrum, the roles and the responsibilities within the Scrum team, how to plan, execute, and monitor and close Scrum sprints, techniques for mastering product backlog, how to scale Scrum for large and distributed teams, and so on. By mastering Agile and Scrum Blueprint, you will be able to lead your team to a higher level of performance, delivering value to your customers faster and with a better quality. You will also be able to adapt to changes more efficiently, ensuring that your project always aligns with your customer needs and expectations. So, are you ready to take your project management skills to the next level with Agile and Scrum Blueprint?
Yes!
Check the first link in the description.